can you please introduce yourself and share what stream or interest you are planning to pursue in grade 11?
Hello, my name is Agrima Mishra and I'm currently in grade 10 and I wish to pursue PCM along with mainly design, and the subjects I would choose for that would be PCM along with psychology and design.
Ashim, what were your biggest questions or worries about college, career, or the future before we conducted the session?
So my biggest worry was that I actually didn't want to go to those traditional schools where there was this science, commerce, and arts, because I had these subject combinations which was a bit complicated and which didn't suit. But yeah, after these sessions, it made me much more clearer what I wanted to do ahead, and it introduced me to this new school called Ashi Forest School, and I'm really interested in it.
Great. So, Ashi, when you did the sessions with us, how did you see a change in yourself and your perspective about grade 11 or college or career? How was it before and after? If you can give us a snapshot.
Yeah. Before these sessions, I had these small questions like about AI taking over all the careers around. But after these sessions, Deepali Didi and Pawan sir made it much more clear and told me that this AI won't matter and I can choose whichever path I really like. And they introduced me to new combinations of subjects, which really helped me.
Great. So, was there any session that really stood out and made you feel more comfortable and confident?
The session where I was actually told that there was this college called Ashi Forest School that was going to start based on what we actually want, which was colluding with our school, Rishi Gurukulam. Yeah. Along with that, there was a session where we were actually told about what were our interests, what we wanted to become, and what we actually had in ourselves, which actually made this career.
Great, lovely. So, Ashi, you've been through a lot of process and procedures to enter different grade 11 colleges. What made you choose Ashi, although this is like the first year of Ashi starting, what made you choose Ashi as your grade 11 school?
So at all the places, I wasn't getting those subject options which I actually wanted, and this college provided me with internships and all the various things that I actually wanted, which was my dream. And this college looked at what I really wanted and made the college on what we wanted. So yeah.
Yay, I'm so happy you're saying like, hey, this is my college, you know, your space. Great, Ashi, lovely. So as a part of the admission process, you were given an interest-based assignment, right?
Yeah.
Which was really humongous. What was it like? How was your journey? And what was really beautiful about it?
The best part was that it was of my interest. It was about design, about making reels, about Instagram, making posters for the Ashi Forest School, and this actually made me think more, explore more, and express myself better in my way, rather than writing essays, which I actually do not like. And yeah, it was quite different from other schools where I have to write about myself, about my interest, and instead, I showed what my interest really was.
Wow, lovely. So, what are you most excited to experience once the program starts?
After the program starts, the best part would be going and doing internships, and yeah, learning new things and field learning experimentally would be the best part, rather than typical writing exams and memorizing things.
True, true. So, if a student like you is confused about what to do after grade 10, the spaces they belong to, what would you tell them about these sessions and the admission process?
I would tell him to actually attend those sessions. Um I would tell him my experience, how I felt before the session and after the session, and I would tell him what the college is providing about me for us. An Ashi Forest School colludes with Rishi Gurukulam. It would provide us with international curriculum along with nature and spiritual learning together.
Lovely, Ashi. Thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Thank you.